Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete multiple accounts on your Facebook at once. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments after watching this video. And let us get started with you. So, first of all, open the Facebook app. Then in the bottom right corner, click on the menu section. Then at the top, click on the gear. Then click on the Meta Account Center and scroll down to the bottom. Next, you will see the Accounts section. Click on that. And that way you can see all the accounts that are tied to your Facebook. I have several Instagram accounts, also my main Facebook account. And in order to delete any of these accounts, you just have to click on the delete sign next to it, and it will be deleted. You can also add an account here if you need to. That's the simple way, friends. You can delete some accounts on your Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, put your likes, and see you soon.